Identifying your checked luggage is easier with this. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. I am standing next to my checked luggage bag here, which is going to be on the conveyor belt, going round and round. And when you're down in the baggage claim area, you want to grab your bag. It's not always easy to find the right bag. In fact, my problem has not been finding my own bag, but the problem I have had is when people actually grab my bag, and that's really awkward. I've gone up like 3 times to people and been like, I think that's my bag. And they're like, are you sure? This looks like, oh yeah, no, this is your bag. So anyway, it's not just about your inadequacies, it's about other people's inadequacies too, if you just don't want to be super self-aware. So I thought, well, I'm going to have to put a luggage tag on there. But one way that I might make it a little easier to determine what bag is mine is having this bright neon color. This is kind of like a fluorescent nuclear green sludge looking silicone luggage tag. And it's very soft and you can get it with different letters on it. So you can pick a letter that's your name or your school or whatever. It's not super big. It's about the size of a business card. I actually don't think a business card will fit in here, but it does come with a little card inside so you can write your name and address on it. So you can see the little paper card in there that you can fill out. It has a little plastic shield on it. When you push it in, you can see the name right there. The little hole here has a little rivet, and it does come with a couple of these metal loops, which I really like because sometimes they come with silicone loops or even leather loops. And you know what? Those aren't going to stand up to much. So I really like having the metal loops here, even though this thing could probably get ripped apart if you really wanted to. But I like having a little green fluorescent, obviously identifiable tag. The other hack that I have kind of learned is to put it wherever people are going to grab the bag. So oftentimes they're coming on the side, you'll grab the side, maybe this top one. So putting that luggage tag right here so that people can't say they didn't see it, right? They're like, what? I didn't see, oh, it's right there. You know, a lot of times people will put stickers or something like that. It might not be easy to see because maybe that side is down. Even if you put it on here, this is not the handle people are going to grab. So anything that you can put so that the lazy people will be interrupted by like, what is this tag on my handle here? They will notice that and then do a double take and make sure that they've got the right bag. So if you are looking for a bright colored luggage tag to go on your luggage, honestly, it could even go on your carry-on, because how many times have they said, there's no overhead bin space left. Everyone's going to have to check your carry-ons. And so you want something that's going to identify it. I think it was the LA to Vegas TV show where he's in lost baggage and he's like, it's a black bag. How many can there possibly be? So if you want to pick up something that's going to make your luggage stand out, you know, the same reasons that you wear a feather boa or a Peter Von Panda t-shirt, you know, you want to stick out. It's helpful. So I'll put a link to these in the description below. Peter Von Panda out.